Get ready for the countdown you won't want to miss as we dive into the best blood pressure monitor picks that keep your health in check. From accuracy to ease of use, these top-rated monitors offer clear displays, comfortable cuffs, and smart features that make home tracking simple. Today, I'm going to be going over the best blood pressure monitor that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the medical device blood pressure monitor. This compact unit slips neatly into a home health routine and serves as a reliable first step for tracking heart health at a comfortable price point. The display is bright and easy to read, with large numerals that pop on the backlit screen, so you can check your numbers in a dim living room or during a late-night routine without straining. The cuff is designed to fit a broad range of arms, typically spanning a couple of sizes from around 22 to 42 centimeters, and the inner bladder uses a soft, skin-friendly fabric to reduce discomfort during longer sessions. The device relies on the oscillometric method, which means automatic inflation and deflation, letting you sit back and relax while the monitor does the lifting. This approach reduces the variability introduced by manual pumping, a real perk for older users or anyone who might struggle with a stiff cuff or a shaky hand. You'll find it wonderfully straightforward to use. A single button operation initiates a measurement, and the unit stores a history of readings so you can trace trends over days or weeks without writing them down in a notebook. In practice, the process is quick and quiet, with the cuff wrapping smoothly around the upper arm and the cuff sensor signaling when a stable reading has been achieved. The numbers appear in real time on screen, with a triage-style color queuing system and optional audible alerts that indicate whether your reading lies in normal, elevated, or high ranges according to standard guidelines. Battery life is dependable, and many models include an auto-off feature to conserve power after a measurement. For everyday users who want a dependable, no-fuss device that can sit on a kitchen shelf or slip into a travel bag, this monitor checks the box for simplicity, reliability, and value. Paired to the OMRON Bronze, which I have included as number 1 on this list, this medical device monitor prioritizes straightforward operation and family-friendly pricing while still delivering clinically relevant numbers you can rely on for daily decisions. At number 4, we have the Dixie EMS Blood Pressure Stethoscope Kit. This is a professional-grade bundle built for accurate auscultation and reliable manual readings, ideal for students, EMS crews, and clinics that want a dependable analog counterpoint to digital devices. The stethoscope itself features a dual-head design and a tunable diaphragm that helps you hear both low and high-frequency sounds with crisp clarity, while the binaural headset and soft earpieces provide a comfortable seal that stays put during rapid assessments. Tubing is sturdy and long enough to accommodate dynamic patient positions, and the gauge is designed for easy reading with clear markings up to the typical 300 millimeters of mercury range. The accompanying cuff is generous and easy to apply, with clear labeling for proper cuff size, a quick-release valve, and high-visibility color coding to assist new practitioners in placing it correctly. Beyond the core auscultation tools, the kit typically includes a durable carrying case or pouch that keeps everything organized and portable for on-the-go use. The value comes from the reliability of the manual process. Listening for the Korotkoff sounds gives you tactile confirmation of systolic and diastolic pressures, and can be a crucial skill when digital readings are unavailable or when you need to cross-check a measurement with a second method. In daily practice, the Dixie EMS kit shines in busy environments where fast setup and dependable readings matter more than bells and whistles. Compared to the Yuwell blood pressure monitor, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Dixie EMS kit leans into manual accuracy and professional auscultation rather than automation and app-based data capture. At number 3, we have the Yuwell blood pressure monitor. This digital cuff-based unit brings automation to home measurements while maintaining a focus on simplicity and reliability. The inflation and deflation process are automatic, letting you complete a reading with a minimal amount of effort while the cuff compresses smoothly around your upper arm. Display presents systolic, diastolic, and pulse rate in a large, legible format, which makes it easy to read at a quick glance from across the room. The cuff is designed to fit a broad range of arm circumferences, typically within the same 22 to 42 centimeter window that many consumer models use, and the soft interior feels comfortable even after repeated measurements. Memory handling is straightforward. The monitor can store results for more than one user, so you and a family member can track your own history side by side without mix-ups. The interface is thoughtful, clear buttons, an intuitive menu, and simple prompts that guide proper posture and positioning. Some versions encourage users to sit with feet uncrossed, back supported, and the arm resting at heart level to improve consistency from one reading to the next. Device can typically provide an average value over a short sequence, offering a more reliable snapshot when numbers fluctuate from moment to moment. Because data visualization on screen is clean but not overly complicated, new users can quickly learn how to interpret systolic versus diastolic numbers and what constitutes a normal range. Paired to the iHealth track, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Yuwell monitor emphasizes straightforward at-home accuracy rather than app-driven trends, focusing on the core measurement experience with dependable hardware and a familiar interface. At number 2, we have the iHealth track. This model leans into modern connectivity, pairing a compact cuff with Bluetooth-enabled reporting and a smartphone app that makes it easy to monitor long-term trends. Setup is streamlined. Register the device, pair it with the app, and you're ready to begin measurements, which can be performed with a single button push or via the app's remote triggering in some variants. The cuff is designed to stay snug yet comfortable, with a memory-enabled design that allows multiple users to record their numbers without crosstalk between profiles. When a reading is complete, the app presents the result as a clean chart that you can review on your phone, tablet, or computer, and it often provides simple guidance based on entered age and health information. Data export is a practical feature for sharing with your healthcare provider, and the history log gives you a visual sense of how your numbers move over days and weeks. For many users, this is the practical choice if you value digital conveniences, cloud syncing, and the ability to compare trends over time without handling paper logs. The device keeps power consumption reasonable, and in most designs, a compact rechargeable battery eliminates frequent battery replacements. Paired to the OMRON Bronze, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the iHealth track prioritizes wireless connectivity and smartphone-friendly data visualization over standalone display simplicity, offering a modern approach to home blood pressure tracking with a focus on shareable data. At number 1, we have the OMRON Bronze. This monitor represents a balance of clinical reliability and everyday usability, with attention to accuracy, ease of use, and a comfortable cuff that adapts to most adult arms. The cuff is designed to fit a wide range of sizes, and the device benefits from reliable inflation and deflation cycles that maintain a stable measurement environment, reducing user-induced variability. The screen displays systolic pressure, diastolic pressure, and pulse rate with clear numerals, and the interface typically uses simple, intuitive controls so you can start a reading with a single press. Clinically validated for accuracy, this model is often used as a benchmark in home testing because it tends to reproduce consistent results across repeated checks when you follow best practices for posture and rest. Memory is a practical feature as well, letting you review recent measurements without needing to track them manually. And many units include optional date stamps to help you correlate numbers with lifestyle factors like sleep or caffeine intake. The device also emphasizes patient safety features, such as irregular heartbeat detection and a gentle warning if a reading appears out of expected ranges, guiding users to retake the measurement and confirm results. In everyday use, the OMRON Bronze offers durability, dependable performance, and broad availability, making it an excellent choice for households that want a trusted, long-term companion for monitoring blood pressure. Paired to the medical device blood pressure monitor, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the OMRON Bronze focuses more on streamlined precision, tested accuracy, and a familiar user experience, delivering a robust core tool for anyone who prioritizes consistent, professional-grade readings at home.